What you doing, Pawpaw?
Hey, I'm fixing to feed the birds. It looks like snow ship, but guess what? It's sleet. It's really little tiny crystals of water that's frozen. It's not snow. It's not soft like snow. It's hard. Hey, I'll be right back.
Let's look out here. Oh my. Wow. There's the little birdies. Wow.
Gotta be careful. It's slippery.
Yeah, I want to see Pawpaw fall. Don't want to see Pawpaw fall. There he is, taking the feeder down. He's washing the sleet off so he's has somewhere to sit it. He's going to give the birds lots of food because they get hungry when they're cold. Ooh, you hear the wind? You hear the sleet falling, the little tiny pieces of ice falling. Sounds kind of like rain. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is Tucker's water bowl. Tucker, it's frozen. That means it's cold. So cold. Good job, Pawpaw.